Okay guys, since I have all these colors left over from the ocean pour, I thought I'd do a little flip cup. I haven't done one in a long time. Not sure it would work. I sort of kind of remember what to do. I do know that my cell activator needs to be nearly the same consistency as my colors. So thick and gloopy like this. So this is my pouring medium mix like this. So let me do a color you can see. So here's my gray blue, and I thickened it up by adding more paint. So it's more like a 2-to-1 ratio of Floetrol to paint now. So got a cup. That's always handy to have when you're going to do a flip cup. Let's start with some white cell activator. And then this is gonna be a hodgepodge of colors. So I have a ton of this green. So let's layer some of that in there. And then, what is this color again? What's this pigment? Aspen. I think I was calling it seaweed. It's aspen. Let's throw some aspen on there. I don't think I've ever done a flip cup with with pigments either. This is a little 9x18 canvas. And then my beach color, the warm metal. That looks nice with the green. Let's add some more cell activator. We'll do the blue-green. And let's put, what's this shade? Do I have two? Oh no, this is leftover turquoise from a pour you guys didn't see. Let's put in the turquoise. Ooh, with some glisten. I got a lot of glisten. What else we got? Let's do a shot of Boom Gel. Why not? And then I'm out of Prussian blue. Am I out of it? I just have a tiny bit left. Not even worth it. And some orange. Why not? We're just going to put all the colors in. Peel this off. Got a lot of pink gold left. I don't like that pink gold with the orange. I prefer the regular gold, the harvest gold. Peel that off. And then some more green. Darker green. Let's do a little bit of black. Oh no, not. Let's put the warm metal, then the black. Peel that off. Some black cell activator. Some pink. Colors are almost gone now. True blue. love that color. What do I got left? Some Glidden. Some turquoise. Just about out. This is going to be interesting. A little more pink. Let's do a little more of the gray blue cell activator. I'm totally winging this, can you tell? Kill off the green. Yep, gone, 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 gone. The other green, yep, gone. Gone, gone. What do I have left? Nothing but Glidden. Oh well, this row will just kill it off. And a little bit of black cell activator. A little bit of white cell activator. And voila. Bottoms up, y'all. Give that a second. Maybe I'll drag it down this way and go. What, really? No cells? That's super surprising. Oops, don't drip in it. Well, there were some that were in the cup. Got a ton of bubbles. Good grief. Bubble City. Why so many bubbles? The pigments, that's why. Let's see what happens if we move this around, because sometimes that's when the cells start to pop up. Get off that corner. So much for the orange and the pink. Almost there. I'm actually pouring off some cells. I kind of like some of the colors. And the composition isn't horrible. It's just that there's no cells, and it's kind of, the ones that are there are wonky as all get out. Maybe we make some. Oh, my black is thick. I forgot about that. Well, I killed off the black cell activator. And put some white on top of the black. And kind of go here. Something like that. See what happens. Give it a minute. Nope, gotta come off this side first. Let's stretch them out a little. You guys see what I'm doing? So I kind of. Need that black to go over the edge. I'm gonna let these cells mess up too. They're stretching out and running off. I'm gonna let them go. I feel like I should still continue to let them go. Hold on. I really do like stretched out cells. Almost there. Well, see two little spots I went off. All right, let's stretch them the other way. This is cool. I'm kind of loving this, y'all. Let me stop and stare. I like everything except this. Good grief, the rest of it is cool as all get out. Once again, I'm going to walk away, come back with fresh eyes. Okay, I'm back. I went upstairs and washed my face and brushed my teeth to get ready for bed because it's 3 a.m. now. I'll sleep in on bed. What can I say? I just feel like painting. I came back in and it caught my breath. I had a closer look at this, and I know probably from your perspective it's a black blob, but it's not. It is black and gold and blue, and I'm leaving it because it adds a nice bit of drama with this light coming down. This is all spectacular. The bottom's great. I'm grooving on the colors, just totally loving the colors of this one. So it's a keeper for me. I'm gonna get you guys down. I'm not touching it. I went around with my little skewer and popped little bubbles because it seemed awfully bubbly. When I flipped that cup, I don't see any more. Yeah, that's a keeper for me. Hold on one sec. I lie like a rug. I had this down over here to show you the close-up of the results, and I was talking about it, and I was showing you the blue-black blob right in the middle of it. I was like, I hate it. And I'm sorry I didn't film it, but all I did was swipe it out and then just tilted the paint off and then back again, and just for giggles I added a couple little blue lines just because I love that true blue color, and the rest of it just looks like opals. It's just, oh, there's an ad again. So pretty. I'm gonna whisper this, but I think I like this more than the ocean pour, honest to God. I'm glad I filmed it because I'd never remember what I did. I love my deconstructed cells. I like them all messed up. I really do. This one is just all about the color. I mean, the composition's pretty great. It's not bad, right? Super pretty little piece. And stay tuned for the dried results. Hey guys, it's daylight now. I was a maniac. I stayed up until like 3:30 painting, and then I had to clean up. It was insanity. Anyway, I'm back with the dried results of this one here. I think I like it more than the sunset one. I really do. I'm digging the blues and greens, hint of gold. Let me bring this back here. I like all my wrecked cells going across, and I love the top. It reminds me of Aerial Borealis. Did I say that right? You know, the Northern Lights. Because I can't talk some days. I think I said that right. Anyway, there's that one. It's just going to hang out and get resin. If you're interested in this piece, just shoot me an email at waterfallacrylics@gmail.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check me out on Facebook, Waterfall Acrylics, and give me a like or a follow there. I'm trying to reach 10K so I can post videos there. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Anyway, you guys take care. I'm gonna go paint. See you soon. Peace out.